Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about top 5 highest paying niche for YouTube automation 2023. Niche 2023. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be showing you 5 different niches, of course with the channel with them, and then we will be examining and showing you how effective they are. And we have 5 different channels over here, and we will be checking them out one by one and then showing you the data, their earnings, their estimated earnings, all of those information over here in Social Blade. Now let's go over our first niche, which is future AI and technology. This is a channel which is YouTube automation. This is a YouTube automation channel which doesn't use any face or even actual voice of the creator. Their niche focuses on future of AI and technology, and as you can see here on their videos, each of them videos are gaining thousands of views. So you have the idea that this niche is actually effective, especially for YouTube automation. So to be able to identify or learn about the data, whether this specific niche is effective, you're simply going to copy their URL over here on the top over here. Then you're simply going to go to Social Blade and you're going to post their link in this bar over here. Just like this, and simply click on the search bar or search button over here, and then it will show us details and information about the specific channel. And as you can see, it is the same channel. It's called AI Uncovered. It's the same channel over here in YouTube. You can see the different data over here like uploads, subscription, subscribers, video views, and many more. And over here below, as you can see, you will be able to see the estimated monthly earnings. For their monthly earnings, this channel has the potential to earn $317 to $5,000.1K, which is very high. And you will be able to see and visualize the earnings that you might be able to do with this specific niche called Future of AI and Technology. And of course, the way you present it with your YouTube automation depends, and it will be up to you on the success of your channel, but this just shows that this specific niche is effective. And you can also view the estimated yearly earnings over here, as you can see. And scrolling down below here, you will be able to see even more data with specific dates. As you can see, this one is for today. This is the most recent one. And for today, they were able to earn at least $7 to $113, as you can see here. Those are their estimated potential earnings in one day, and you can see more details over here on the top. And this just means that this specific niche is indeed an effective niche. So you could visit their channel over here and you could examine their different videos, see how they are doing their different videos, and maybe you could duplicate it or use it as a reference on how you would be able to build your own YouTube automation. Now, after this one, let's view this second niche, which is Tesla Car World. This one has an electronic car or electric car niche. And a lot of people are interested in electric cars and are considering to switching to electric cars nowadays. And as you can see, this specific topic can be a very trending topic. As you can see, each of their videos are gaining at least over 50,000 views, as you can see here on each of their videos, which is a very successful niche if you ask me. So we could check the data as well. Same thing with what we did with AI Uncovered. We will be able to check the data of the specific channel. And keep in mind, this is also a YouTube automation channel wherein no one is showing their face or using their voice. If you view their video over here, you can see that it is actually like different collection of videos and an explanation of the different topics as well. As you can see, there is no actual face being shown on this type of videos. So let's go and copy their URL link. Go over here and let's paste the URL over here and search for the specific data of the specific channel. And there we go. We have Tesla Car World over here. So let's go and check their data. Over here below, as you can see, their estimated earnings for this month or monthly estimated earnings is $208 to $3.3K, which is very high. and their estimated yearly earnings is 2.5K to 40K. And let's go check the data, the other data over here below. And for today, the specific day, they were able to earn at least $3 to $54 in just this day, which just says that this is also an effective niche that you could use for your YouTube automation. And keep in mind that the topic is very trending right now because, like I said earlier, in the part where we started talking about Tesla car world, the electric car niche is something that people are talking about right now, and a lot of people are looking into because a lot of people are deciding to switch over to electric cars, and Tesla Car World is one of the channels that explains the different information about, of course, electric cars, as you can see here. So you could also do the same thing with AI over here, AI Uncovered, where you could watch the videos over here, see how they are handling their different videos, and maybe even try to use them as a reference on how you could handle yours as well. Now let's proceed with our third.
If there's one thing,
Our third niche over here is all about comfort and stylish luxury. Their niche is about showing you the richest people, how the most expensive private jets, anything that is expensive, and it's showing comfort and lifestyle over here. This is basically the niche that they are using: comfort, stylish, luxury, and other stuff. And like as you can see, richest black families, anything that involves around something being rich. And to be honest, a topic like this is very intriguing, especially to younger audience, because as you know, younger audience seek to find information in the internet, and sometimes topic like this is very interesting to them. And like the same thing with AI Uncovered and Tesla Car World over here, their videos doesn't show any face or even use their own voice. And as you can see, they have a lot of videos with the same niche or the same theme, but different topics, as you can see. So let's go check their statistics over here. Let's show their statistics using Social Blade, and let's compare them to the other two that we have just checked out. And there we go. This is the channel, and their estimated monthly earnings is 1.2K to 19.8K, which is very high. And this is something that is much better than the other two. It is a niche that is higher in terms of earnings, as you can see here, and their estimated earnings is 48.9K to 237.6K, as you can see here. And it just indicates that this niche also is effective. And as you can see, for today, they were able to earn an estimated of $51 to $822, which is a lot. And on this day, actually here, on Tuesday, last Tuesday, they were able to earn at least $99 to 1.6K in just one day, which is very high and an effective niche. And that's it for King Luxury. Let's check out our fourth niche over here. Also keep in mind, the niches that we are talking about right now aren't really arranged in an ascending or descending way. This is just the top 5 without any arrangement. So for Future Unity, this is a channel that focuses on discovery, science, and technology. As you can see here, the most common topic that they have is pyramids and UFO, alien-related stuff like that. And as you can see, they are the topic that they are focusing into. So let's go check out their data and see if this niche is actually effective and we're doing with our YouTube automation. And let's see the data over here. Let's wait for it to load, and there we go. And their estimated earnings is much higher than the previous one, than King Luxury. As you can see, their estimated monthly earning is 1.9K to 30.4K over here, and their yearly earnings is 22.8K to 36 or 364.7K, which is very, very high. And for the daily data over here, they were able to learn $57 to $908 in just one day, and yesterday they were able to earn 75 to 1.2K, and the other day they were able to earn 68 to 1.1K, which is very high. And this just means that this niche specifically is an effective niche that you could utilize for your topics as well. And lastly, for our fifth niche, which is finance, online making money. and you will be able to see their topics over here. As you can see, very decent views. And so let's check out their data as well. Let's go and copy this, and let's see their statistics over here. Search it in Social Blade, and let's see the data that we will be able to view. And there we go. It's not that big like the other one, but it is still a decent earning. You will be able to earn $133 to 2.1k dollars in an estimated monthly over here. And for the yearly, they were able to earn 1.6k to 25.5k, which is very high. And for their daily, as you can see here, they were able to earn 31, or rather 11 to $184 yesterday. And there we go. Those are the top 5 niches that you could use for your YouTube automation. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.